Hi everyone, I'm now going to show you one of the ways you can complete your homework using the Seesaw app. You can see I've logged on, and on the left now I've got my homework to complete. This is just an example of homework, yours might look different to this. So to start working on my homework, I'm going to press on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the homework and then choose copy and edit. This opens up the homework so I can now edit it. Along the bottom we've got different tools you can use to edit the homework. And I'm going to choose the pen. On the right you can see we've got the slider so I can change the colour of the pen. Now I'm going to use the pen to complete my spag work in the bottom left. So it says draw lines to match the words below to the appropriate prefix. Television, semicircle and triangle. Now if I made a mistake, at the top you can see we have an undo arrow that can get rid of the last work we've done, or I can redo if I want it back. I could also use the rubber at the bottom here to get rid of any lines that I do want. So now that I've done my spag, I want to do some maths work. This pen's a bit thick at the minute and the squares are quite small. So what I'm going to do is, using the magnifying glass towards the top left, I'm going to zoom in on the question that I want to do. So I want to do 482 take away 165. So I'm going to press on the magnifying glass and press on the plus in the little pop-up menu. Now I can move this white rectangle round in this top left screen and get towards the question that I want to do. Now that we've zoomed in, the squares are much better size for me to write my calculation in. Start my ones column. I don't have enough ones in the first number, so I need to exchange. From my tens column, I now have 12 ones take away 5 ones, which gives me 7 ones. 7 tens take away 6 tens is 1 10. Then 400s take away 100 is 300s. So I have an answer of 317. I'm now going to go back over to this magnifying square and zoom out so I can see the whole page. You can see that the pen has stayed exactly where it was, just where I wanted it. I'm now going to do some spellings, and for my spellings it asks me to write a sentence with each of the words of my spellings, and I've got to make sure it's punctuated correctly. So I'm going to choose that first spelling, accident. Instead of writing it with a pen, I'm going to type it. So to type on here, I press on the T on the left side of the screen. So the word is accident, I need to put that in a sentence. The boy was injured in an accident at the park. Now it stays in the middle there, but once we've finished, I can now move this around. Again, I can change colour with the slider on the right. And I want to make this quite a bit smaller so that it fits in neatly next to my spelling. Use the circles around the rectangle to fit it in, and then I can just move it next to the spelling that I want. So I've done a few of my pieces of homework now. Once you've completed it and you want to upload it, you press on the green tick in the top right of your screen. This uploads it, and that's it done. It says waiting for teacher approval. Once your teacher sees your work and approves it, it'll be uploaded onto Seesaw. Hope that's helped. Enjoy everyone.